In this video, we will talk about saving and printing our work. So we will talk about this file menu. So in this file menu, we have this new spreadsheet option. So if you want to add a new spreadsheet, you can go to this new and add a new spreadsheet. A new spreadsheet will be open. Similarly, you can go to this file menu and open a spreadsheet which you have already in your Google Drive. So you can open it from your drive. Now the next option is importing from your system. You can import it. You can make a copy of this worksheet. You can share this worksheet with others, or you can publish it on a web. You can share it in an email. You can download it as a Microsoft Excel. So if I download it as Excel as a side, so it will be downloaded. As you can see, the download has been finished. So I can open it in Microsoft Excel as well. Now let's see some other options in this file menu. You have rename option. You can rename this file. You have move option as well. You can move it to a different directory, or you can delete it permanently to trash. So it will be deleted in 30 days, which is a default period of Google Drive. So this is the version history, and you can also make it available offline. So if you make it available offline, you can read it offline. Now this is the print option. Click on it and this will be shown. So if you go to this custom page break, you can break this table into different pages. Suppose I want in 2 pages. So if I confirm the break, so I have this table in 2 pages. Now let's cancel the operation. So as you can see, there is no save option here. How is this file getting saved? This is the default parameter of this Google Sheet, that it is being saved by each and every work I'm doing. So as you can see, my last edit was 2 minutes ago and it has been saved. Now if I, let's say, write XYZ here and press enter, now you can see the last edit was a second ago and it has been saved to drive. Now similarly, if I write enter again, it has been saved again. Let's say H, this saving, and it is saved to drive. This is how by each and every operation of yours, this file will be saved to your Google Drive. You can just go to your recent work and open the file from there. Similarly, if you want to protect this worksheet, you can go to this data menu and then you can protect the sheet and ranges. So there is the protect sheet option. So add a sheet or range. You can add a sheet. So if I want to protect my sheet 2, I can protect it, or I can accept few cells. Suppose I want to accept some cells, let's say these cells. Now the entire sheet will be protected except for these cells. So if I share this file with anyone else, they can edit only in this region and the entire sheet is protected. So if I press OK and set the permission, so it is asking me to restrict who can edit this. So if I use only you, so only I can edit. If I use custom, then I have to provide the users who can edit it. So if I use only me, so only I can edit these regions. And if I share this using a link from here, if I create a link, so this is restricted now. If I use anyone with the link, and if I copy this link and share it to someone else, and if they open it in their browser, they will not be able to edit this table. They can only edit the portion which has been provided them for the editing. This is how you can protect a worksheet. Similarly, you can protect only this table as well. So if you want to add a sheet or range, and you add this range from A1 to, let's say, C11. So this range is protected. And if you protect and set the permission, only this range will be protected. So suppose you have 3-4 tables in a sheet and you want to protect only one table. You don't want to change the data of only one table and you can change the other tables. Then you can protect only one table and let other tables being editable. So this is how you can protect it. Now in file menu, we have seen the print option. This is very important. You can add a page break. So this is how you can protect your sheet or your table. Now let's move to the next topic. Thank you.